Hey everyone, welcome back to Hear Up USA. In today's video, we're comparing the Oticon charger and the Phonak charger. We'll look at their design, charging performance, and key features to help you decide which one is the better choice. Let's get started.
The Oticon Smart Charger Mini Rite R and the Phonak charger case. First, let's open up the Oticon box. Inside, you'll find the official instructions manual, followed by the black Oticon Smart Charger, wrapped securely. This charger features a built-in rechargeable battery that acts as a power bank, a protective cover to keep your devices safe, and clear LED indicators to show your battery status. Next in the tray is the standard USB charging cable. Moving over to the Phonak accessories box, we unbox the compact champagne gold Phonak charger. It features left and right color-coded magnetic slots for easy placement and a USB-C power port on the back. Inside the accessory pack, Phonak provides replacement ear domes, earwax protection tools, and a high-quality USB-C charging cable. Side by side, both chargers deliver sleek designs, fast charging, and reliable protection for your hearing aids on the go.